And it really did come down, a good bit for a while there, and there was quite a bit of water on the road.
Yeah, that was probably that storm that was warned severe. It was warned severe for Oldham, portions of Oldham and Shelby counties. And it as all the severe storms that all two of them, severe storms that we had today, they didn't last all that long. Though there is an update here. There appears to be a flash flood warning that's been issued for portions of Greene and Adair County. I just got to get rid of the radar so you can see it. It's this green box right here. You can see it over the lightning as well behind the banner that just popped up, but a flash flood warning issued. It's not all that big of one, but like I said earlier, I'm not real surprised that they did go ahead and issue that, considering that rain really hasn't moved all that much. Hopefully it will begin to dissipate here in a little bit, but we are looking ahead to your Saturday. A minor severe threat, a marginal 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather for most of us, and then a 2 out of 5 risk for our far northern zones of Kentuckiana. Rain chances are kind of peaking at 40% tomorrow and then come Tuesday. And Tuesday is a weather impact alert day due to the heat, but also we have a severe threat late in the day that I'm going to hopefully get a decent look at tomorrow. Here's Futurecast, and radar doesn't look exactly like this, but as I've been saying through a lot of the summer so far, the data does not like the air mass that we have. This humidity really messes with weather data. So we end up with the scattered and isolated thunderstorms. Expect that tomorrow, probably a little bit more than this. Expect an afternoon and evening very similar to today. And again, there is that minor severe risk that I'll be keeping an eye on throughout tomorrow afternoon. Could continue, at least in some part, into the overnight hours. And as you're getting ready for your weekend plans tomorrow, Sunday, keep an eye on everything with Live Radar 24/7 on the WHS 11 Plus app. Now, our temperature history has been up and down. We spent a decent chunk of time below average, but most of that time we were dealing with a ton of rain. We've been above average the past few days. We'll be above average most likely tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday as well, but you can see that drop on the way. The Climate Prediction Center expecting us to be below average going into next weekend, and it's because of the front that's going to bring us that severe threat Tuesday night, but also drop our temperatures and our humidity going into Wednesday through Friday of next week. Really looking forward to that. And here's a live look at downtown Louisville from our First Merchants Bank camera on the Jeffersonville side of the river. Not much going on right now in Derby City, but we have had some storms move through. Looking ahead to Sunday now on Futurecast, not much expected to happen. The best chances for rain well south of the Louisville metro in our far southern counties, where we could see some thunderstorms later in the day. And then we go into Monday morning, not much happening, though it is going to be hot on Monday. There is that minor storm threat on Monday too, and then Tuesday a weather impact alert for the heat and humidity leading into the severe threat that's going to move in late Tuesday evening and into Tuesday night. That's the focus of the forecast now pretty much, but the good news is it's going to bring much more comfortable conditions for the rest of the week.